careful, be careful. We go there. Be careful lang lang. Where are we going? Huh? Bacala. We are going to Bacala. Be careful, huh? I don't know. Coffee. For the strangers. Yalla, go. You walk. Be careful. Yes. Walking. Give me your hand, Anna. What do you want to buy in the Bacala?
Baby boy.
Baby boy? Yes. What do you want to buy? Wait. Hey.
Going to put in cookies chocolate. How can you
Cookies
put the
and
guy?
chocolate. Be careful. Running. Hi guys, pupunta kami sa Bacala para bumili ng biskuit para sa baby, para sa princess ko.
Be careful, Mom.
Okay, Dakag, be careful. Just wait, don't go there. Hey.
Be careful, Mom.
Okay. We are here now in Bacala. Okay, what do you want? You want ice cream?
Yeah, I want ice cream and then cookies.
Oh, ice cream and cookies?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know.
What flavor do you want? Chocolate or
I want chocolate.
mango?
Mama, I want chocolate. Out of my mouth.
Oh, sorry. Just wait. First we go there first, okay? Come here. Okay, don't make naughty. Wait. Just wait, Mana. I want to take.
Wow.
What do you want?
This one.
This one?
Yes.
What inside?
This is. Take this, Mama.
Okay.
And I want
Take
to
this
eat,
one.
Mama.
Okay, open. Just wait, but don't open now. Just
Because I'm hungry.
you are hungry. Okay.
I want to eat this, Mama.
You want this?
Yes, Mama.
Wait, I take plastic. Just wait, what? Come here. Come. Open. Open it. I put it inside. This one.
Oh,
Yes, put it inside.
I want to eat, Mama. I want to eat.
Okay. Just wait.
I want to do this. Okay.
Take another one, Anak. Come here. Come here. Why you sit over there? Come. Huh? Just wait, ma.
What do you think, Mama?
I want to take something. My favorite.
What is your favorite? This one, the only one.
No, don't drink this. This is banana. Vanilla, banana. Not good for you. Don't drink.
Baby, this one?
No.
Baby, this one?
Be careful, huh? It pour down.
And then basa?
Yes. Huh? Lang lang. This one. Ah. What? Close it. No. Dirty ba? Dirty? Don't put it to your mouth, eh. Don't take, anak. Nakalimutan sahod. Don't take, not good. Not good for baby. Not good for baby. Tong sour is but not good. Don't take, please. Not good. Okay, not good for baby.
Baby, I want this. Baby, I want the green one. Wow.
We buy ice cream. This one, no. Don't take this one. Not good for you.
Wow.
No, come here.
Yeah.
Dun. You want this? Look. I buy also like this, okay? Okay.
No.
Just wait. No,
We have inside, okay?
okay, well, just wait. This is for me, not for you. No, don't take. Come here. Come here, Bernie. Take ice cream. Ice cream.
Wow, this is my
No, not good this one. Not good this one. Put it back. Not good. This one.
No. This one.
This one?
Yes.
Chocolate. Just wait. Okay. Take it.
And eat this.
Not now. You eat in the home. Wait.
I want to eat this, Mama.
Just wait. I take another one. Look. Take for Papa and Tita Mina. This one. See? I like this one. And for Tita Mina. You want to change your ice cream? Like this? See? Huh? This one is good, look.
Wow! Yeah.
This one, anak, this one, ha? Dapat sa kanya nila. Come here, nakam. Come. Baga na. Give me. Come there, hadi. There? Oh, hadi. Wahid real, hadi. Nanan, ha? Unless I take like this already. So sweet ba? So sweet. Take another one. Be careful your hand. Ay, may hijab, boy. Where's the bag? Huh? Sobe. See? Cotton peel. Oh.
Mama, make a good ice cream.
Over there.
Mama, don't see Mama.
Here, what? Here, come here, come. Hadi, come there, Hadi. Right, Riyadh? Okay, I'll take this one. Now. Come. Be careful. Hi guys, pauwi na kami. Pauwi na kami sa bahay. Ayan guys, nandun ang aming bahay. Malapit lang ang Bakala. Dito sa bahay namin. Come, give me your ring. Ay. It's already 7 PM guys, pero mainit pa rin ang panahon. Ang init-init pa rin.
Now,
Be careful.
don't go in the one, okay?
Okay, because it's dirty.
Okay, all that's when you
The stranger she throw over there. I don't know why.
eat.
Yeah. Ooh, be careful, Daka.
And then you
Thank you.
Mama, don't go there, okay? And then you pull down.
What?
Don't go there, okay? And then you pull down over there.
Okay. You also be careful.
Okay. Mama.
Wait. Just wait, anak. Just wait. Hintayin natin matapos. Yan guys, malapit na mag 30 minutes. 13 minutes pala. Let's go, anak. Bye. Salamat sa panonood guys.